I am Dr. Sanjeev Sharma from Ravisan India Electron and Pharma. Actually, basically, I want to introduce a new medical science known as electrohomeopathy. I hope so many persons having no any knowledge regarding to this subject. And the electrohomeopathic subject is actually not new for India. It's practiced about last 100 years. And the electrohomeopathy system is coming from Italy. And Count Cesare Matti, founder father of this system. And now in India, it's practicing in very broad spectrum. And it's my privilege to introduce this subject on this vast spectrum of in between researcher and scientists like you people, sir. And electrohomeopathic word, electro, homeo and pathy. Electro means bioelectrical energies of plant, which we are using in form of extract from fresh plant. And homeo means to make our equilibrium position of two critical substances of our body, blood and lymph. And pathy means system of treatment. And electrohomeopathic medicine derived from actually 100% from plants only. There is no any other source of medicine regarding to this subject. Electrohomeopathic system depends upon only 114 plants, and basically we derive 38 group of medicines, which we claiming that so many disease can cure with this. I am practicing this system from last 32 years, and this is our first chance to represent this system, to introduce this system in bigger scenario. And basic principle of this system is blood and lymph. We observe cause of diseases depends upon two critical substances of our body. If you observe blood and lymph, this is our basic principle of this system of electrohomeopathy. And criticalness of blood and lymph is may belong to the disease, and equilibrium position of the both blood and lymph is known as health. So we always try to equalize and to make the equilibrium position of these two subjects, two critical substances of our body. So next, this is a methodology of preparation of medicine, extraction of extracts from plants. We take fresh plants, and certainly we concluded three parts of plants: first, second, third. First, volatile components; second, liquidated and natural alcoholic content of the plants; and third, the solid contents as a salt. And last of all, we make it into a crude form of our system medicine, and this is our lab from where we extracted these extracts. And next, electrohomeopathic system mode of action is depends upon only two basic points: blood and lymph. We always try to get equilibrium position of the both, and diagnosis of this system is depends upon only temperamental studies. Temperamental study means the natural phenomena of our body depends on three part: first blood, second lymph, and third one relating to the mild or mixed. First, blood constitution means regarding to the blood contain disease, and lymphatic means to the lymph. And third, sometimes there are so many persons contain both properties regarding to the blood and lymph. Thank you very much. It's my first time to introduce this.